All jobs, even if it only takes a pen, have tools for learning, for being successful. And then anything related to a learning task, whether it be in business or industry or an institution of learning, you have to have certain tools. And if you don't have these tools, you're going to do the best you can with what you have, but obviously, at least in the US, 6 out of 10 freshmen don't graduate. They don't have those tools. I mean, what other job other than learning on planet Earth do people do without training first? Very few. I always ask that when I speak to parents. You know, what other job do we have? Or you don't get training first before you expect to do the job. I always have a father stand up and say, parenting. Okay, there are 2 jobs you're expected to do without training, and one of is learning. And so once you have the tools for doing the job of learning, you can learn anything. For example, we have students who want to be doctors. Great. On a 4-point scale, they have a 2.6 grade point average. There's no medical school in the United States that will accept you with that kind of a grade point average. So we teach them the tools for learning at the college level, and then they're getting 3.8, 4.0, straight A's, and now they can go to medical school. It's not me. I wish it was me. No, it's the information. Once they have the tools in their toolbox for learning, and they know how to use them, they can be anything they want to be.